Hey everybody, in this video I want to quickly show you a cool exercise that will teach you how to do a squat properly even if you've never done it before in your whole life. Check this out. So what you want to do is get in front of a wall, and then your toes will actually touch the wall but stand in a normal squat position. So you just here, legs shoulder width apart and toes slightly out, okay? Hands will then go at a 45-degree angle, also touching the wall, and your goal is to go all the way down, okay? Without your hands leaving the wall, and then come all the way back up. And what this is doing is it's teaching you, number one, to go back on your heels, number two, a proper line from your nose, knees and toes, all in a straight line, and then also not to fall forward. Now guys, if you enjoy training at home and you enjoy using bodyweight exercises, then I've created a brand new 7-day bodyweight workshop where I am going to teach you all the most popular bodyweight exercises step by step so that you know how to do them once and for all. And so if you want to come and join us for that 100% free, pop over to bodyweightboss.com, sign up, and you're going to start learning how to do your very first exercise within the next 5 minutes.